In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in all the way to your new teammate becoming an active user in your system. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause or rewind as needed. First, make sure you're signed in to Zoho CRM with an account that has the right level of access. You'll need to be an administrator or at least have permission to manage users. If you're not sure whether your account has that permission, check with whoever manages your CRM settings before you start. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the Zoho CRM interface and click the Setup icon. This is the little gear symbol. Setup is where all your configuration options live, including user management. Inside the Setup area, find the Users section. It's usually listed under the General category. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar within Setup and type Users. Click on Users to open your user management screen. Now you're ready to add someone new. On this page, look for the button that says Add New User and click it. This opens the form where you'll enter the new user's information. Start by entering the person's first name and last name. This is how they'll appear throughout your CRM, so use their proper, recognizable name. Next, enter their email address. This part is important. The email needs to be valid and not already associated with another Zoho account. Zoho will send the invitation to this address and the user will use it to sign in, so double-check for typos before moving on. Now choose a role for the user. Roles define where the person sits in your organization's hierarchy inside the CRM and what level of data visibility they have. For example, a sales manager might be able to see records for their entire team, while a sales representative might only see their own records. Pick the role that best matches their position and responsibility. After that, select a profile. Profiles control what the user can do in Zoho CRM, such as creating records, editing them, deleting them, or accessing certain modules. Common examples are administrator or standard user. Choose the profile that gives them the access they need, but avoid assigning more permissions than necessary. If you like, you can also add optional details such as phone number, address, and other contact information. These fields are not required, but they can be helpful for keeping your internal records organized. Once everything looks correct, click Save. When you do this, Zoho automatically sends an email invitation to the address you entered. Finally, the user needs to open that email, accept the invitation, and set their password. Until they complete this step, they'll appear as a pending user. As soon as they accept and finish the setup, their status changes to active, and they can start using your Zoho CRM account with the role and profile you assigned. And that's the full process for adding a user to Zoho CRM.